So, you already started dating another guy. Yet another victim, huh? Listen, dude. This is my battle, not yours. Just let me end this all. Leave!
And probably getting into his head. He's stubborn, reckless, and always convinced he's right. It's the dream. Controversy means people care. My job was to make you feel something, even if it was frustration.
It's a miracle! I'm just so excited, everybody! It's just like the happiest, snowiest, most magical holiday of the year! Parents' Day! We can sing songs and play games and have so much fun! You give me 20 minutes and I'm telling you I will have this mess hall swarming with bees! I am dying, Max! You just don't care because you're selfish and you only ever care about yourself! That's what selfish means!
Stop making such dumbass comments and keep your smelly breath in your dirty mouth. Wow, another reference we don't get. You must be a hardcore loser. Your entire existence is a mistake.
Stupid! That was just a lie! You guys thought I died? I would never! No way!
教えてくれ。今何年だ。妹である僕を殺せる唯一の武器だ。ピョードルの異能力なのか。なんてね。二重人格なんて陳腐な筋書きですが、信じると思いましたよ。失礼。覚悟を確かめさせていただきました。その覚悟にもし断れば、僕は一生青空を拝めない。僕があなたを殺します。